A spreadsheet is a collection of various sheets or worksheets that contain data arranged in rows and columns. Rows and columns comprise of a number of cells in it.
Now, in the next topic,
Various parts of LibreCalc spreadsheet will be demonstrated. To open spreadsheet, click on LibreCalc icon from desktop or it can be searched as well. Let's explore the various components of an application window of Calc spreadsheet. The smallest part of a sheet is called a cell. It is a rectangular area that contains data. It is an intersection of a row and a column. Each cell can be identified by its column heading alphabet and its row number. For example, this cell is referred by B5, column B and row 5. The currently selected cell is known as active cell. The topmost bar of a Calc application window is known as title bar, which contains the name of the currently opened spreadsheet. By default, the spreadsheet will be given the name Untitled 1. Below the title bar is the menu bar that contains of all menu and sub-menu options. Calc consists of the following menus. File menu contains all options related to creating a new spreadsheet, saving a file, opening existing file, printing and exporting spreadsheets in PDF format. Edit menu that consists options for undo, copy, change, fill, etc. View menu. It is used to modify the look of a spreadsheet in terms of row and column headers, zoom, etc. Insert menu that contains commands to insert various objects in sheet like rows, columns, sheets and pictures. Format menu. It is used to modify layout for a spreadsheet, for example, style, formatting, cells, page and alignments. Tools menu. It contains various functions such as sharing document, gallery, macros and so on. Data menu. It is used to manipulate data in spreadsheets such as sort, consolidate and naming a range. Window menu. It arranges the sheet with options like split and new window. Help menu displays information about update and help regarding various functions and commands. Toolbars. Toolbars contain small icon on it. They are common commands and functions. Buttons on the toolbar can be added or deleted as per user's requirement. By default, standard and formatting toolbar will be displayed. These toolbars are floating in nature. By clicking and moving them with a mouse, the position of the toolbar can be changed. Placing the mouse over the icon will display a brief explanation about the icon that is called tooltip. At the top of the workspace area, formula bar is located. It cannot be moved. It is fixed at its position. At the bottom of the spreadsheet, sheet tabs are displayed. It displays the number of sheets in a current spreadsheet. In a spreadsheet, multiple sheets can be inserted, where each sheet contains multiple cells in it. To display or hide any bar, press on View menu, then select the desired component. For example, click on View menu and Drawing Toolbar will display the drawing toolbar at the bottom of the screen.